Hey folks, it's Heidi Johnson, Marine Max Sail and Ski, Austin, Texas, 183 location. Today we're checking out the 2020 Harris Tri-Toon Cruiser 230. As you can see, it's got the Camel interior, lots of space, nice helm and dash, double bimini tops, white fencing. This boat is really nice. It's got the 150 horsepower Mercury engine on it. It's really nice. It's got the tow bar. We've got nice helm, tall seat. We got the Fusion radio, the Lowrance Hook, depth finder and FishFinder combined. And we're excited to get this boat out on the water for someone. It's available. There's not a lot of inventory available right now, but this one's available. Come check this boat out, get on the water. See you soon. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, please call me or our other staff members, or come see us at our locations, Austin, Lakeway, San Antonio. We'll see you on the water.